She is boiling the water. She is straining the pasta. She is cutting the meat. She is rinsing the vegetables. She is soaking the beans. She is draining the rice. She is cracking the eggs. She is whisking the eggs. She is mixing the ingredients. She is mashing the potatoes. She is chopping the carrots. She is peeling the potato. She is slicing the bread. She is grinding the coffee beans. She is grating the cheese. She is stirring the soup. She is adding salt to the soup. She is tasting the soup. She is sprinkling herbs on top of the soup. She is serving the soup.